So coming to tables, so how to insert tables in our LaTeX article or LaTeX report. So how to inbuild the table. So that is my main goal in today's class. Let us see. I like to incorporate the table of this type, maybe firing angle. So this is having two rows merged in one row, and maybe we can call it as one cell. And after firing angles there is source current THD. Here two columns are merged with one cell, and all other things are same. That means they are simply normal cells only. So in this table, now I like to reproduce the same table with our LaTeX program. So let us see how we can do it, and how easy we can make it. So let's quickly go into the program. Yeah, this is the program. Let me run it first. Yes, yeah, this is the program. So as we know, so I have opened a document class with 12 point pt article class. The class type is article, and I have used the title as tutorials on author name and today's date. Yes, begin document. As we know, end document is somewhat beneath these lines, and make the title. So I need I need to incorporate this title. So I need to write like this, make title. So this command we have already used. So let's try to reproduce the table reference table 1. So let's try to reproduce the table 1. So let's see what is table 1. So this is the table 1. So this is the table 1. So let me reproduce the same table. Okay. First, as we know, this is the table. So let me begin. Tabular is the command here to make the table. Similarly, as we know, we need to end this tabular. That's all. And now we need to start our thing. So here first one is firing angle. So let me write the same thing, firing angle, and I need to write n symbol here so that it will show you as a second column. So this is the first column and this is second column. So the second column is source current THD. Let me write the same. Even in third column also, let me first introduce the same thing. After that I will merge it. Okay, let's first give me the time to explain you better. Okay, same thing, let me write. And maybe for firing angle, okay, let me continue with this same thing, same row. Okay, and I will change this into PI controller, that is PI, and this thing into neural network. After that it's very easy. So simply write whatever there in it, and 2 point, it is 2.12. Space is not required. If you don't like it, no need to use space also. 3.11 and space 2.29. So this is very easy. If you use directly, we can have the same thing with online facility also. So we can get the LaTeX table generator online also. I will show the same thing, but before going to that, let us discuss little bit about how to write on our own. That's why I like to show you how to write the program. Otherwise we can directly go ahead with the online table generator only. Yeah, so before going to run this, we need to check how many columns it has. So let me have 3 columns here. C. So C means it is align center line. That means everything comes within the center. And let me run this. So as we know, so to make into another line, we need to type two backslashes so that the next type things has to be go to next line. So here I want three things. First I want three columns here. So first column, second column and third column. And I want these three columns, the alignment should be centered. So I need to write C. Here C for center line. And the three columns are, one is firing angle, source current and source current. Okay, let me club them afterwards. And this is one row. So after that I need to use two backslashes so that I need to follow the second row with this row. So this is the second row. Next, this is the third row and fourth row, fifth row, sixth row and seventh row. So to make it, I need to use this command, two backslashes, so that the next item should come below that. That means it shows like a next row. And here every time we need to compare this with this table. Okay, let me compare these two. So I need to use lines also. So here I will use lines in between the columns. So these are the vertical lines, you can say. So I am using like this. That's how vertical lines have come. Now I need to use horizontal lines. So let me write H line is the command to get the horizontal line. See, yeah, it has come horizontal line after the first row. So before the first row also I require one horizontal line. So let me write the same command there also. That's all. And this I need to follow for each and every line. Again, space is not required. You can directly do that. That's all. Yeah. So this is the table. Now I need to make some changes here to merge two rows and to merge two columns. So to merge two rows, first I need to delete this part. This part will be deleted like this, as I have maintained at start it is end symbol. So first one should be blank. So it will make it blank like that. So this is simple thing. So how to do this? How to make this? How to merge these two? Okay, that means the line should not be there. Here, how to do this means, here let me write C line within brackets 223. Let me run this. Yeah, exactly, it has gone. C line means it's a column. C line means it's a column from 2 to 3. So second column and third column. So try to maintain the line for second column and third column, not for the first column. Similarly, if you want to have only for third column, see, let me show you the same thing. Yeah, please run it. It hasn't come. Let me see. 3-3. Let us see. Yeah, it has come. So this is the command for this. That means here it will give the line for the third column only. Okay, third column only. For the previous thing it has given the lines for second and third column. See here, 3 to 3, just like our some printers. So for example, if I like to print ninth page only, okay, it will ask for, maybe it may somewhere we need to give the commands like this only, from and to. It won't print one, for example. So if we have 20 pages and I want to print 10th page, how can we do it? Definitely we need to print 10 to 10. Same thing we need to do here, so that it has come like this. So now our job is to get the line from second column and third column also. So let me change like this. Okay, this is what I want to do. And now here I want to see that these two should be merged. Here two rows have been merged here. So, yes, our sample table. So here even source current THD is also be merged. That means for this first row, second column and third column has to be merged. So let me do the same. Here the command we need to use is multi-column command. Multi-column. Multi-column command, and multi-column command we need to use here. Yeah. Here we need to represent how many columns we need to merge. Here I need to merge two columns, so I can write directly 2 here, and in which way I need to merge it. Otherwise I can directly run it. Yeah, there is an error. So in which way I need to merge it? That means I need to write one more option here. That option is center line, like this. So this is so two columns I need to merge it, and I need to make the item centered, and I need to get the lines also. So that's what this means. And I need to delete one. Let me delete this part. Yeah, I have already merged it, so no need of this part, third part. Let me do this. Okay. So here I need to use one more command. So in which way it has to be aligned, central line, left aligned and right aligned. And let's see, let me make it a central aligned, and here we need to use brackets, as if you have only one column, no need to use bracket, you can directly write the thing. But here I need to use two columns, so I need to use brackets here. Let me run this. That's all. So now these two are alike now, so these two are similar, so exactly same. So in this way we need to write the program. It's very simple. First our job is just write begin tabular and end tabular. Once you have written these two things, now we need to identify how many columns you want, and you need to write which type of alignment you want. I have used all or center align. Okay, let me change it to left align. Yes, L. The first column should be left align. See how it will be? Exactly, it is the left align. Similarly, I want to make the last column as the right align. Okay, let me see how it will be. That's all. Okay, that is the concept of alignment. So that will be clearly shown here. C, and this will be also C. That's all. Let me do this. That's all. Okay, so first, after begin tabular and end tabular, you need to specify how many columns you want with proper alignment. Once you have done that, then you need to write what are the things in first cell, second cell and third cell, row by. Okay, this is one row, this is second row, this is third row, like that. and if you want lines for columns, you need to use here only, like see one line, and if you want lines for rows, you need to use H line, it is horizontal line. So you need to write this command for each and every line. Okay, if you don't want this line, still you need to have double quotes for each and every line, so that it shows the next one should be in next line or next row. Okay, that's what the thing is. It's very, yeah, here there are two tables. One is created by us and the second one is the reference table. The table one is the reference table. So this table is centeredly aligned here, but our table is not centeredly aligned. And for the second table, there is a label called table 1 source current THD, but here there is no caption here. So let us see how these things can be incorporated in our program. So let us go ahead. So before begin tabular, we will go and we will start with begin table, so that we can include some more table properties here. And at the end it should be n table. That's all. It is table, table. Okay, now let me run this. Okay, it has come here. So to make this meaningful, that means it should be line center. Let me write center, centering. This is the command to make the thing centered like this. So the same command can be used for figures also. So this is the thing, and next one is caption. We can use caption also. Let me use source current THD, source current THD for SAPF. Let me write this. Yeah, you can run this. Yes, the number has automatically come. So this number is 1 now and this number is 2 now. Okay, so this is the caption part. So centering part is over, caption part is over. So let me focus on labeling part. So simply write the label and write it. It is, let me take SCTHD. That's all. So this is the labeling. So wherever you want, we can use it. So let me use here. So let's try to reproduce the table. Reference this and reference. So we need to use the label like this. Reference within brackets SCTHD. THD. So we can refer like this. So let us try to reproduce the table as this one. See, now this has come. Let's try to reproduce the table 2 as 1. Okay, as the first, the reference table has become table 2 now, and our table became table 1. So this is the thing. So these are the things I like to explain in this video. Thank you so much. So this is the procedure how to write the program for a table, and this program can be done online only. That means online also. That means without knowing anything of this, so we can directly dump whatever table is visible here. Okay, let's do that thing also. So simply type table generator. Yes, this is create latex table generator. So this is a latex table generator. So let me simply type here. Yeah, firing angle. Okay, let me reproduce the same table here. So first one is firing angle. So next source current THD. Next here PI controller. Here neural network controller, and here it is 0, here it is 15 degree, and here it is 30 degree, and here it is 45 degree, and here it is 60 degree, and here the values are, let me see the values, 2.88, 2.12, so 2.88, 2.12, 12, and the second, for the second row the values are like this, 3.11, 2.29, 3.11, 2.29, 3.11, 2.39 or 29. Okay, let me see it, 29. So let me write some random values here, 2.52, 2.53, 3.86, maybe 2.64, this is 4.06, this may be 2.83. Yeah, this is my table. Now first I need to draw the lines for this. So this is the line where we can draw this, and I want to make it centered. So this is the alignment. I want to make this merged. So this is how to merge it, column rows. So no, this is for insert. So this can be merged, selected cells. Yeah, this is merging, and even these two can be merged like this. And this can be the middle, this can be middle. That's all. That's all, simple. The cell split default table. That's all. So in this way we can generate the table here manually like this without writing the program, and you can go to file and you can have new table here, and you can select how many rows and how many columns you have, and so that you can write like this. Now we will generate the program. Simply click here, generate, and see, this is the program. So this is the program. Now you need to copy and paste this program. Simply copy, let me paste here. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is the program. Okay, here we need to include this package also, multi-row package, and this should be just after the begin class here, or we can say that before the begin document. So anywhere you can write. That's all. So this is the table. Yeah, this is the table what we have done now. So in this way we can make it. It's very easy to go ahead with online table generator. You can do in that way also. So here this is the explanation for preparation of tables in LaTeX. So thank you so much for your careful listening, and please like this video if you like this video, and please share this video with your friends and family. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and please press the bell button so that you will get the notifications whenever I upload any video. Thank you. Thank you.